my experience and unique non-invasive blood letting techniques which are already practicing in Ayurveda systems, Ayurvedic, especially Ayurvedic surgical discipline, the leech therapy. They actually leeches are the invertebrates animal, lower animals who is belonging to phylum Annelida, and they have the sanguivorous natures, blood-sucking nature by natures, and the leeches survive in mainly fresh waters, and the Ayurvedic term Jalokacharan is mentioned in ancient Susrut Samhita, Charak Samhita, and Ashtanga Sangra and Ashtanga Hridaya are the Ayurvedic literatures. Some facts about leeches that they are the segmented animals and their length is 5 to 15 centimeters. There are more than 350 species are known in India, mainly Herudo medicinalis and Herudinaria granulosa. Herudinaria granulosa is the common Indian cattle leech which are practices in clinical practices. And they have two suckers, anterior and posterior. Anterior suckers, with the help of anterior suckers, they suck the blood and make a small Y-shaped incision and suck the blood. With the help of posterior suckers, they make stability. The common indications are mentioned in Ayurvedic literatures, which can be correlated as per modern day, mainly like wound cases, peripheral vascular diseases, inflammatory diseases, skin disease, and some other conditions in which this surgery are generally avoided or not possible, or patient refuse the surgical procedure, like chronic non-healing wounds, osteomyelitic wounds, and diabetic foot ulcers, like venous ulcers, and in peripheral vascular disease, especially deep vein thrombosis, and in varicose vein, venous insufficiency, and in conditions where the blood circulations are hampered, and inflammatory conditions like cellulitis, thrombophlebitis, and chronic inflammatory arthritis, and lymph nodes inflammation, lymphadenitis. And the other diseases like the blood, as per Ayurveda, the Pittas and Raktas rogas are mentioned in which the leech therapy are indicated. These are the cases like simple boil wounds, like chronic non-healing wounds, venous ulcers, chronic epididymitis, and like simple non-complicated Berger disease, deep vein thrombosis, Raynaud's disease, and chronic osteomyelitic wounds. Other like thrombus, pymas, or perianal hematoma, varicose vein, and non-specific chronic inflammatory lesion at the nose site. In these leech therapies are practices. And the methods of leech therapy are described in Ayurvedic text. First of preparation of the leeches and preparation of the patients, and second is the main action of the leech application and the post-operative care of both the leech and the patients. These are the actual phases of sucking conditions of the blood, and after knowing that it has started to suck the blood, it should be covered with the wet gauze, and the gauze should be kept wet by continuously pouring water on it, so that they are attached properly. And the post complication management care leeches after sucking of the blood, the vomiting of the blood from the leeches must, and put in fresh water, then squeeze the opposite hand from posterior to anterior, so that all the blood was sucked by leech removed, and don't reuse same leech before 7 days. And care of the patients is stop the bleeding. Bleeding, post therapy bleeding is common, and the care of small minor incisions, wounds, Y-shaped incision, that can be managed to prevent the infection and bandage it properly. So most of the cases are proceed in daycare admission or daycare procedures. What are the leeches? In Ayurvedic literature, as per Ayurvedic literature, leeches sucks the impure blood, and the impure blood is the stagnant blood, clotted blood, deoxygenated blood, nutrientless blood, are the dusht as per Ayurveda. And when and how to remove the leech from the site, mostly most of the leeches detach spontaneously after sucking the blood, but if there is pricking and itching feels by patient, then it should be removed. And common problem in leech therapy, first of all, the availability of leeches and delayed leech attachment at particular sites. It takes time, and this some of most common factors is the patient's fear, which refuse the leech therapy. And the problems to say how to apply the leeches in patients who not agree. First to educate, and sometimes if we visit to our clinic and to see the other patients, with the help of the other patients, see they agree. And the mode of action of leachate, basically the leachate have two basic actions. One is to sucking the blood, and second is the insertion of biomedical, biochemical active substances which are present in their saliva. And the sucking of blood decreases the blood congestions, that lowers the disease, pressure in the diseased area, which facilitates the fresh blood, oxygenated and nutrient blood circulations, and finally the conditions improved. The bioactive chemicals are there are more than 35 chemicals, bioactive chemicals are present in their saliva, which are available, which research are available and can be seen on internet. And the anticoagulants like hirudin, kaolin, factor Xa inhibitors, and thrombolytics like diastabilis, anti-inflammatory like vedilin, hyaluronidase and eglin, vasodilators, acetylcholine, carboxypeptidase inhibitors, and bacteriostatic and anesthetics actions also present in their saliva. The contraindication of this therapy is patient refusal, arterial insufficiency. If there is no blood supply, there is not possibility to address the leachage, and the immunocompromised patient already in anemic conditions, and patients taking indications like large dose of vitamin E or on aspirin. What are the adverse effects? Generally no serious adverse effect, but there is some local pain and itching near about 24 hours, and the rarest conditions in which patients fears causes some hypotension, other things. And blood loss, hemorrhage generally is non-significant. And transmission of infectious disease like AIDS, hepatitis B, first primarily we screen the surgical profile like hemoglobin, CTBT, HIV, hepatitis and TSCB, so that we can know whether the patient is positive or not, and after that knowing conditions we apply the leachage. And last the take home message is the leech therapy, ये parasurgical procedure have a rich ancient reference indicated in Pitta and Rectus Yoga as per Ayurvedic literature, and leech application as an adjuvant with drugs are found very effective in inflammatory conditions, inflamed pile mass, post-herpetic neurologic conditions, pimples and thrombophlebitis, eczematous lesions, and no severe side effects, and no need of supportive excess supportive drugs, and needs less infrastructure and daycare procedures. Bioactive chemicals and blood letting nature make it uniqueness. To find out the mode of action of leech therapy requires to more study, and aseptic precautions and proper care is necessary. Thank you. Thanks.
Very interesting topic. I already also
and very comprehensively presented. Thank you very much.
Yes.
As far as the medical science is concerned, plastic surgeons,
Yes.
they are getting more and more dependent day by day on the leeches rather than any other